Hello, my beautiful friends. I should be in Minnesota right now with my sisters, but it didn't work out. I had work events, and I could not get away from work, so I didn't get to go. But Spirit knew that I needed a pick-me-up, so today my Happy Life box arrived, and I really love this box. I mean, I got it originally when it was called something else, and then Chris, the person who puts the box together, changed it up a little bit, and I just love it. She writes a little a note and explains all the things and why you got it, but she told a story in this edition about how she got onto the path of natural healing, and it's such a good story. It's such a tribute to spirit, but also to natural healing, and I don't want to give away her story, but I'm just so thankful for her many years of health that came after quite a scare when she was young. So so the box looks to be great. I've already unpacked the box because the box itself came damaged, not the fault of my Happy Life, more the damage of the U.S. Postal Service. So I wanted to make sure I got everything out of it because it looked like it was wet. So I wanted to make sure nothing was damaged inside. Nothing was damaged, but I did open the box. So let me show you all the cool things that are in it. So the theme is natural healing and sort of, coming back to earth for the fall season. It's a time for us to return to within ourselves and grow and stuff. And so what I love about this box is that there are things in it that are different. And like things that you don't think you want or need, but then you open it and you're like, I need that and want that. So let me share it with you what's in it. So there's usually a crystal and there's a tiger's eye. And I wear tiger's eye. It's like one of my most favorite crystals. And it's just, beautiful. It's like a beautiful, really reflects light. So that was the stone, and it's a tower, which I like the towers. And then there were, on top in the box, there were 3 packs of trail mix. And it's from a small business, and they are each different. This one is toasted corn, peanut, pineapple, chia seeds, and cilantro. I don't know if you can see, so I'll be trying these. I'm going to try one of them tomorrow. The second one was this was called Dune Trail Mix by Nomad. And this is Meadow Trail Mix by Nomad. And it's beets, almonds, apricot, sunflower seeds, and basil. So that sounds interesting. And then the third one was Forest Trail Mix, mushroom jerky, walnuts, apple, pumpkin seeds, and black pepper. So these look fascinating. I think she, her husband, and her son each of one of them liked one of them. So we got 3 of those, which was cool. And I like that it was in threes because that's such a Celtic thing. Then there's this face steamer, and it's for dry, sensitive skin. And you pour this in a bowl and you put hot water on it, and then you put a towel over and you steam your face to help with your face. So I can't really smell through it, but it looks like it's going to be cool. Then there was a super cool, these are made by, I think it's a woman-owned business, international business, and Chris is all about fair trade, and which I love, and it's 3 bags, and they're vegetable bags, right? So when you go to the farmer's market, which I like to go to the farmer's market, you use these instead of using plastic bags, and they're washable. So there's like a big one, very, soft and warm. You could use them for other stuff too if you wanted. But there's a big one, and then there's a medium-sized one and a small one. So this is, I think, I'm not sure which one's it. Yeah, medium-sized one. Look at the patterns; they're so pretty. And then a small one. And you can put your garlic and your stuff. And so we have a farmer's market every Wednesday at the college, so I can use these instead of plastic bags. So I'm excited to try them. And then, because Chris is amazing, there's a book, and I cannot wait to read it. It's called Natural Woman, and it's funny because I've been working on my recipes, my fall kitchen, my fall collection of things that I make now so that they're ready in a few weeks when cold season hits. And so I'm so excited about that book. So I love this box, and it came with a little card. These are these little cards that you punch out, and it's I live with intention, and then I can open this up and there'll be something inside it. Not opening it up yet because I want to save that. And then there's always a card that tells you how much things cost. So, Natural Woman book, $24.95. You can confirm that because it's on the back somewhere, $24.95, printed in the U.S. So, you know, she probably gets a discount because it's a bulk, you know, order, but that's what the book is worth. The Tiger's Eye Tower, which is $18, which is about what you pay for towers. So that's on. The trail mix is $7.50, so and you get 3 of them, so that's $3 no, 2, 4, 6, 2 something a piece, which is probably what you pay for them. I don't do math. The herbal facial steamer is $6, and the produce bags were $14. You get 3 bags, and that's a reasonable price. I'd pay that for them if I saw them at an event. So the box is a value of $70, and you pay far less than that for the subscription. If you're looking for a unique box that's different than other boxes, I absolutely 100% recommend the Happy Life box, because there's always something cool and different, and you know, I would have never even thought of any of these things, but tomorrow I'm going to try some of those snack mixes. I'm going hiking with my buddies who are going to help me feel less sad about not being with my girlfriends in Minnesota. And so I'm looking forward to it. So just to be thorough, the Nomad Trail Mix, she's a woman-owned small business, and they give a percentage of the profits that focus on protecting, rejuvenating, and preserving our precious communities and environments. The Sari produce bags from a company called Mater Bhumi, which stands for Motherland. And they seek to break the gender inequality gap by empowering women artisans through vocational training, literacy programs, and fair wage opportunities. Very cool. The Natural Woman book. The Herbal Facial Steamer comes from the Herbal Apothecary, which specializes in eco-friendly, handcrafted health, beauty, and home care products. And then the Tiger's Eye Tower. So, I definitely think it's worth what I paid for it, and I think you should subscribe to this box, so I'm going to put a link below. I am wishing you all the very best in light and love. Be well, wherever you are. Take care. Bye-bye.